It did go in 2-0 Arsenal. This game's over. Another unsuccessful Arsenal hate watch, bro. They can't be stopped.
Ben White on the overlap. Gets a cross in. 1-0 Arsenal. And that was so simple. It's Marino, who's a better striker than Gyökeres, has scored. It's such a simple goal. Ben White. I knew as soon as I saw Ben White on the overlap, I was like, this guy can cross a ball, man. 1-0 Arsenal. Damn. And the
play, Ben White. Oh, what a goal. What a goal. Marino. Bam, 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 Marino. 1-0 Arsenal. Lovely goal. Lovely goal. Ben White, open play, cross. Oosh, Marino. He's flown over from Benfica. They've got a night off, and it's Jose Mourinho rising on a Ben White cross. No, it's not. It's not Jose Mourinho. Lovely little bit of play by Madueke. Lovely cross by Ben. That's a clean.
It to me, man. I glanced at it. I saw Odegaard was starting.
Oh, what a goal!
Blood fire! Matty just turned up with the greatness. Matty pulled up with the greatness by Merino in the house.
Right.
God damn! Let's go, my dude.
Guess what? What happened? What happened?
Yo!
What happened? Ben White, first time cross panic goal. First time cross panic goal. What a cross, Ben White. Well done, mate. What a header. What a header from Mikel Marino. What a goal.
You said we needed an early goal.
Now Baron.
Said we needed that.
Brother, hey, bruv, what a goal, bruv. What a goal, bruv. What a goal. Horrible defending, though. Do you know what I'm saying? Bro, what a goal, though, blood. Do you know what I'm saying? Man's got the overlapping fullback, yeah? Bro, this is what I'm saying, bro. Ben White actually gives them man more going forward than than Timber, bro. Timber going forward is useless. He's useless, bruv. Do you know what I mean? He's not an attacking threat at all, blood. Ben White, that season that Ben White played at right back, yeah, he got bare assist and was probably the best right back in the league, blood, and he got dropped, like. Do you know what I'm saying?
Said was going to happen goes in. I say Moreno header, and there it is. Why would they sit that deep against them, man? You don't want to invite pressure against this Arsenal side. What are you, dumb? Such a joke. This game's already done.
Bukayo Saka goes through on goal to end the game. Bukayo Saka, save! But it goes in. And it is the worst match I've ever watched in my life. And I'm going to put Chelsea on. Fucking utter shit. What a waste of my life. Right, Chelsea's on, guys.
Hey, brother. Brother, how is that gone in? Hey, oh my days. Nah, this you is just bookie. Brother, how is that gone in? Brother, what are we doing here? Hey, brother. Hey, nah, come on, Brentford, man. Like, what is that? You know what I mean? Like, what is that, man? You know what I mean? Like, bro, this is, hey, bro, check this guy's bank account. What the fuck is that? You know what I'm saying? Nah, this is crazy, man. Bro, that was like the stiffest cutback here, and then the deadest shot as well, bro. Like, straight at the keeper, and it's gone in. Oh, my, bruv, what?
Huge save from Keller. Can he keep it in off the line? That looks like it went in. It did go in. 2-0 Arsenal. This game's over. Another unsuccessful Arsenal hate watch, bro. They can't be stopped. So disappointing. And then Chelsea are fucking around too. Just give them the league. It's all up to City. Chelsea, I don't feel like they have the consistency to actually go on and push for the title, man.
Game! You gotta close it out!
Oh, finally. He caught life there because he should have squared that to Gyökeres.
Yeah.
He caught life, mate. That goalkeeper's had a mare. Well done, Saka. Yeah, no wonder he's smiling. He's just nicked his 100 grand, bro.
Got out of jail. That's it. Game set.
Got out of fucking jail tonight, mate. Yeah.
We have got bigger.
Real talk, yeah.
We got bigger fish to fry.
Real talk. He should have squared that first time to Gyökeres for a tapping. Yeah, he got fucking lucky that keeper's had a mare. Golden assist, Marino man of the match.
I'm telling you, Marino.
No, real talk. The whole chat are saying it. Yeah. Selfish. Man said apologies to Saka. Apologies for what? Is one fuck all, mate.